Hey guys, good morning. Just wanted to bring you something new here at GA Motorsports. Our new 2019 Kawasaki 636 that's just been redesigned. Really cool features that have been redone on this bike that kind of want to point out to you. They redesigned the headlights. Now they're twin LED headlights. At night really make the street really visible, as well as in the daytime. It makes you easier to see as you're rolling down the street. Another really cool feature about this motorcycle is they redesigned the tail fin as well to make it a lot more sportier looking. But probably the greatest thing about this bike, I mean, it is a redesigned 636, but it is the same power plant that Kawasaki has had for years. That makes this a true super sport motorcycle. But the biggest feature on this bike, believe it or not, has nothing to do with the motorcycle itself, but for the first time ever, you're able to purchase a true super sport bike for under $10,000. There's no other manufacturer out there that makes a bike of this quality with a price that Kawasaki has come out with. It is something that for under $10,000, you can get a bike that has every single feature that is needed in a super sport bike. Whether you're going to ride it on the street or you want to take it out on the track and get some track time in, it is just an awesome bike. And the greatest thing about this bike is the fact that it is affordable. You don't have to break the bank in order to get a true super sport motorcycle. If you are interested in one of these bikes, give us a call, stop by. We'd be glad to go over the features on the bike with you. Come down, sit on it, see what it feels like, and then you can really understand what you're getting for under $10,000 in this new 636.